I have Barkeeper's Friend coffee maker and carafe thermos cleaner. So my coffee maker indicated to me that it needs to be clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the directions on the back of the bottle here. So what you do is you prepare the cleaning solution by adding 1 ounce of Barkeeper's Friend coffee maker cleaner to every 8 ounces of hot water needed to fill the vessel. Allow the cleaning solution to soak in the reservoir for 30 minutes. Rinse the vessel thoroughly. It also says to remove any disposable or filter from the coffee maker. So this coffee maker does have a filter here, so I'm going to take that out. So I have the carafe filled. I have 48 ounces of hot water. So what I'm going to do is add 6 ounces of the Barkeeper's Friend. This bottle holds 12 fluid ounces. So I poured the water in my coffee maker. Now I have to add the Barkeeper's Friend. So how you open it, you twist, you hold it down and you twist. It has this safety foil on it, so you take that off. I'm going to measure 6 ounces. So now I'm going to pour the Barkeeper's Friend into my coffee maker here, and I'm going to run the clean coffee maker function. So I'm going to press this button here and clean my coffee maker with Barkeeper's Friend. So there you have it. That's how you use the Barkeeper's Friend coffee maker, carafe, and thermos cleaner.